try something new. So I went on YouTube, watched a bunch of DIY videos on how to make your own scented candles, and I'm going to try it. Let's see how it goes, guys. And yeah, my candles on fire, melting into a container, perfume oil, and a board to stabilize the wick. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, guys, my wax is melted completely. You can see. Let's get to it. Okay, so here is the perfume oil I'm going to be adding. And then we're going to be adding some coffee. Ahead, it smells nice. And then, of course, my favorite perfume. Wish me luck, guys. I have no idea if this is even spraying. Jesus. Yeah, moment of truth. Oh, the wax is melting. Jesus. I need to put it back on fire. Melt back. Yes, it's melting. Okay. Does this smell good? I think I should add more coffee. This thing is not giving. Okay, guys, so I've melted it and I've poured it into the container with the wax. Wish me luck, wish me luck. Dry now, dry. Let's know the truth. Okay, guys, so I'm done with my early morning experiments, and I'm waiting for it to dry. I don't know if you can see it. I later put some of the candle wax that was remaining on top. Wish me success. And once it comes out, you all are done. You are finished. My people. I mean, I don't know. This thing smells like coffee. Only coffee. But anyways, anywho, I made a scented candle, and I'm waiting for it to like completely dry up. Okay, it's still not completely dry. Once it dries up, I'm going to on it. Guys, my candle don't give burn, no. I don't perceive anything. The smell is very mild, like I can't really perceive much of it. Just I don't know. I think I should go in more with more perfumes, more oils to make it scent better, because this actually doesn't scent too. You have to be really close to it to perceive it. But you keep it just one in a room, you can't like take up the whole room and all of that. But apart from that, this is my handiwork. Yeah.